Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.